Paano nga ba kayo makakatipid para sa MLBB Jiu-Jitsu Kaisen Skin Collab? Hey everyone! This is Gretchen at tuturuan ko lang kayo ng simple tips kung paano nga ba makatipid kapag kayo ay magdadraw sa Jiu-Jitsu Kaisen. Number 1, hintayin nyo yung premium supply ng MLBB Jiu-Jitsu Kaisen. So that will happen on August 14 to August 18 and the next phase will happen on August 21 to August 25. By completing the premium supply, malaking bagay na yan para mas makadami kayo ng tokens. Number 2, kung titingnan nyo sa rules ng MLBB Jiu-Jitsu Kaisen, there's an event discount kung saan you can enjoy 10% off on 10 times draws. And there's also a first daily 1 times draw during the event at malaking bagay na yan para makatipid. Number 3, parating yung titingnan ng events button sa inyong Mobile Legends at malay nyo meron kayong makita na section. In this case, we have a Jiu-Jitsu Kaisen recharge gift kung saan every time you recharge, meron kayong makukuhang certain rewards. And on this case, yung surprise rewards natin is kapag naka 250 diamonds kayo, meron kayong 2 Curse Charm token. That's it for our tipid tips. Kung gusto nyo ng discounted diamonds and exclusive packages, mag-recharge lang kayo sa Richmond Shop Top Up PH and use my code RMSGretchen. And with that, kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video.